Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune report for Tom in Michigan on the Ranger RCI X9. Tom got it ready to go for you, my friend. Our basic tune and alignment. Let's get right to it. Our power is all the way down. 50-watt slug. We got you about 2 watts. That way, if you are going to run an amp, you have full adjustability. 30 all the way up. So your average power swing. Hello, 1, 2, hello. 50, maybe 55 bird. Peak power, 250 watt scale. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, hello, 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 hello. About 155 watts. Tom, gonna get this up there to you around the cold Great Lakes. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump bump.